Welcome back to my one pot meal series. Today's recipe is all about comfort food. And if you thought of khichdi, well, you guessed it right. Today I'm making Moong Dal Khichdi but with a little bit of twist because the proportions are such that you're not going to get a blood sugar spike. I know we all love our khichdi, but the problem is rice is too much, the lentils are too little, which is why we get that insulin spike, which is what makes it unhealthy. Now I've tried my best to keep the carbs a lot lesser compared to traditional khichdi. Also, I'm using a smaller dal because a smaller dal is always easier to digest, it's more gentle on the stomach. The smaller the dal, the better for your gut. As usual, you're going to find all the ingredients and the quantities in the caption, so let's get cooking. Step 1. Rinse and soak your rice and dal together. Now I like to soak it overnight, which also helps to break down the lectins in the dal, making it easier to digest. You must soak it for at least 3 to 5 hours minimum if you can't do overnight, but honestly I recommend just do it overnight. Now I'm making this just for one person, right? And the ratio of 2:1 is what I'm going to use when it comes to dal and rice, where it's 2 tablespoons of dal and 1 tablespoon of rice. Step 2. I'm also going to add some cauliflower to it because cauliflower when it's cooked has a more rice-like texture, and this is what's going to keep our carbs a lot lower. Grate your cauliflower and toss it with a little bit of salt. Step 3. Chop some tomatoes, spinach and green chillies, and you can add more vegetables of your choice of course, but I'm going to just use these 3. Now I'm also using some grated raw mango, and this is going to add all the tanginess, right? Step 4. Add the soaked rice and dal along with the cauliflower, the chopped vegetables, raw mango, salt, turmeric, water, all of it to your pressure cooker and give it a good stir. Step 5. Pressure cook the khichdi for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure releases naturally, simmer it for a bit to adjust the consistency. I like it more mushy, okay? So I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. Step 6. I like my khichdi with a nice tadka. You can just top it up with ghee if you like, and that's what you prefer. But I'm going to heat some ghee in a pan, add curry leaves, 1 dried red chilli, cumin seeds and garlic. Saute until the garlic is brown, and of course that entire fragrance comes, and then you're going to pour this tadka over your khichdi. I hope you liked this one, and if you did, post your comment below. And for more such low-carb one-pot recipes, keep following.